What's up, guys? We are going to pack tonight because we have a trip tomorrow. What's up, guys? Welcome back again to another video. And for today's video, we are going on a trip. First international trip during pandemic. Tinatawanan nila ako mga unsupportive friends.
Uy, sinusupport ka namin.
Support me. But anyway, we are going on a trip to Singapore. Finally, makakabalik na ako. This is actually my second time. And guys, mag-Marina Bay ulit kami. Actually, ni-request ko talaga, pinush ko talaga na sana mag-Marina Bay na lang kaming lahat. Kasi sobrang ganda talaga, worth your money. And sobrang ganda ng view. And ang ganda kasi sa Singapore. And for this trip, we're going to travel again with the team, with the same family, sila Vina, sila Jeff, and yung Dubai team basically. So maraming contents yung gagawin namin, vlogs, and photos. And of course, meron kaming bagong salta dito. May bago kaming member. Oh, si Craig. But anyway, I hope you'll enjoy this vlog. I'll try my best to give you some ideas kung ano yung mga pwedeng puntahan, and give you some outfit ideas as well. I hope I can give you some details din about the requirements kung paano makapunta ng Singapore, ano yung mga kailangan ngayon kahit na may pandemya. So hope you enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment your thoughts. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy this vlog, and see you later. Woo! Finally arrived here in Singapore. Lahat nagmamadaling magpunta sa immigration kasi mahaba yung pila. So, hintayin ko si Arian dito. Arian, is she?
Yay! Naligaw ako.
Nagmamadali kasi kami para sa immigration kasi mahaba ang pila. So, let's go!
Where?
My bag.
Maliit lang pala yung binili mo.
Bakit siya? Uy, baka may ari dito.
May mas malaki pa niyan, diba?
Ito na yun. The shot! Nice! So, kailangan namin mag-picture with that view. Hanapin namin yung spot. Woohoo! Wow! Guys, I finally got my first peg. Shoot ko na. More to go, let's go. Guys, oh no, look at my maleta. Charan! Barag. Yupi. Thank you, Klook, for this airport pick-up transfer. Yay. Thank you, Klook. Starbucks. Look, guys. Yeah. Plant-based. There. Plant-based. So, I got an almond milk frap in plant-based. Here. Yung whipped cream niya ay plant-based din. Hi, Jolene. Checking in now. I hope they give us a nice room with a view. So guys, we just arrived. Nagpalit na rin ako and naglagay lang kami ng gamit. Kailangan namin magbihis mabilis kasi magdidilim na. Pero ang ganda ng room namin. So after nito, doon nilang panoorin yung room tour. In-upgrade kami ng Marina Bay ng mas mataas na floor para mas maganda yung view. So lahat kami nandito. So. Shoot muna kami, so this is how we do it. Yes, dalawa-dalawa. Ayun. Jeff shooting Craig. Rhea shooting Arian. Hi. Hi, babes. Hi. And then Jeff.
Nilibre ako ni Arian.
Hey. Shoot para sa libre. Ay, lilibre ka? Ako na lang mag-shoot sa'yo.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back.
No guys, oh my god, ang sarap. May pansit.
Okay?
Pansit, nasi.
Pansit.
Sarap.
Dami? What?
What else? Oh my god, ang dami guys.
This one.
You see?
Yes.
And vegetable.
Sarap. What are you getting? Oh, egg. Egg naman to say. I want. Gutom ako. Gutom na ako. The rice. Okay, chicken. This one, what's it? Pork? Mm. Which one is your bestseller chicken? Bestseller. This. Good. Yummy. Thank you.
No problem, sir. It's 35.
So, lahat sila bumili dun sa pinagbilan namin ng pagkain.
Uy, pero hindi. Nakiluwa mo kasi meron kang meat.
Itong fish yung sobrang mahal.
Binudol ako ni Kuya. Wala siyang meat kaya mura.
Ikaw naman pinapili eh.
Sabi kasi bestseller yun. Kaya naging 11. Pero mura na yun.
Gym time. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Ingay po nila. Ingay. Guys, look at the view. Oh my God. Wow. You see? Wow. Ganda.
Yung problema ko minsan, para may dumi.
Swimming kami maya-maya.
Guys, napunta na dyan yung ulap. Baka 3 hours PTA. Wait lang guys ha. Meanwhile yung vlog yung...
Hi guys! It's our second day. And anong oras na? Oh, 9 a.m. Lahat kami nasa pool. At naka-live kaming lahat. Nag-aagawan kami ng viewers ni Aryan.
Gaya-gaya na una ako. I came here.
Pero mas marami yung views natin. Mag-hi kayo, mag-hi kayo. Oh, yes. 300 plus. Oh, kanina 400 yan na. Bumalik kay Aryan. Bumalik kayo dito, huwag kayo dyan. Wala. Huwag kayo makinig kay Aryan. Wala kayo matututunan dyan.
Anong pagmaaraw? No, checking the weather. Parang laging gloomy today. At saka this week. So, yun. Shout out, Wayne Pictures. Pwede sa Jed Speeds.
Ba't ganun? Sana yung vlog ko may fresh din na filter na katulad dito. O mag-hi na kayo, magbabay na kayo. O, joke!
Hello.
Nagbablog na rin si Jet, di niya nakinaya. Nainggit na siya. For the camera! Yung camera, guys. Sinahulog ka. Pinahiram na ngalan ni Canon. Thank you, Canon, for lending me this vlog cam while ang aking camera ay sira. Guys, so kung ang vlogging cam nyo ay Canon at nagkaroon ng problema, ang kanilang repair shop po ay service center. Service center po nila ay sa Taguig. So, alam niyo na, guys. Masa-search nyo yun. Search nyo na sa Google. Thank you, Canon PH. Thank you, Canon.
Thank you, Canon!
Thank you, Canon. Thank you, Canon. Outfit check. This one is from Gone Manila. This one's from Shopee. Slippers. This bag. Korean look. Let's go. Hi guys, nandito tayo sa Rimowa, sa Marina Bay Sands. I tried to ask for the repair nung dent nung maleta ko, pero sabi nila yung dent daw ay hindi na cover ng warranty kasi ang Rimowa luggage ay nagkaka-dent naman talaga. So, ang included sa warranty ay yung mga gulong, yung handles, and everything, yung mga lock. So, yun yung inaayos nila. Bubudulin natin si Rhea. It's super nice. Yeah, it's nice. So, yeah. A little idea lang for you guys. So, meron silang service center, hindi dito sa Orchard Road. So, doon ka pupunta. Pero ang dami nilang stock dito ng ito rin. May parang repair shop sila. Thank you so much for the help. Thank you. Box? No.
Yes, box. The packaging? Yes.
This is a mini.
Parang ikaw ba? Bumili ka ng
Spacious na, guys. Look. Oh. It's 2,990 SGD. It's mura dito. Pero pag-isipan mo nila. Konsi! Konsi! How are you? Found the shooting spot! Next look from H&M. Super nice. May damit ka na. May tuwalya ka pa. Pwede pang swimming. From Off-White. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Let's go. Check sila ulit.
Grabe! I want some comfort.
Comfort.
Back to the Future.
Wala ka na binangalan ako.
What's up, guys? Third and last outfit of the day. Kasi meron kaming dinner sa Bread Street Kitchen by Gordon Ramsay. So, I'm just wearing this. This one is from Calvin Klein, pang extra lang. And then, CDG. This pants is from Nike. There. White socks and white shoes. See you guys. Day 3. This one I got from Sarah, H&M, Off-White. We're in hurry and a backpack para may pang change outfit. Let's go. What's up guys? Nandito kami sa Ion Orchard. Mukhang tawanan ha.
Yung gawa ni Vice ganda.
Hi Vice! Anyway, nandito kami sa Ion Orchard. We just had our first meal, which is our lunch. Sarap nung food namin. Mine is parang pepper lunch for only 300 pesos. And then, change look para sa... Saan tayo pupunta? Orchard Road?
Andito na tayo
Orchard.
sa Orchard. Mag-shopping na lang tayo dito.
Shopping? Pagsa-shopping kami ni Zari Jigs. Ako kailangan kong bumili ng perfume para sa aking nanay. Bye! As a student. What's up guys? We're checking out today pero actually 11 yung check out namin. It's already 10:15. Pero magla last minute shoot kami ni Vina. 30 minutes. Let's go Vina.
Let's go.
From here na lang ako. Hindi na pala ako tatalo.
Tatalo. Di pa ko banda.
Venus turn.
Nagigising ko lang.
Let's go, let's go. Just like that, done. Last look for this trip. Okay, so this is my last look with some shirt accent on the inside. Magba-brunch kami sa PS Cafe. I don't know kung anong look nung cafe, but yeah. Tapos baon din ako ng yung hoodie ko nung suot papunta para sa airport. After ng brunch, I can change. We're checking out. So, see you outside. May miss ko ang Universal Studios. Last is... So, ang view natin... Actually, guys, yung view natin here ay Gardens View. So, yung kabila is City View. Doon nyo makikita yung mga Fullerton Hotel, Pan Pacific, and many more. Tapos, dito naman sa kabila. So, actually, yung pool doon nakaharap sa City View. Dito naman yung Gardens by the Bay. So, anyway, kapag magbubook kayo dito sa Marina Bay, pwede nyong i-request yun upon checking in. Tapos, may queuing din siya. Actually, medyo ang dami lang ganap when it comes to checking in here sa Marina Bay. Pero once naman na nakapag-check-in ka na, as in dire-diretso na lang, meron din kayong keycard na pang-access papunta sa taas. Kasi magkaibang elevator yung papunta dun sa pool. Actually, ang maganda dito guys, marami ding resto sa baba. May mga coffee shop. Pero medyo pricey lang. Saka ang maganda dito sa Marina Bay, once you're here, hindi ka nalalabas, tatama din ka ng lumabas kasi pagbaba mo, nasa mall ka na agad. Andyan na lahat ng luxury brands, mga restaurants, food hall or food court. Tapos, ano pa ba? Lahat. Perfume, damit, anything. Mabibili nyo, mapupuntahan nyo na, makikita nyo na sa baba. Even the Apple Store na sobrang laki, saka yung sobrang laki nilang LV na dadaan ka sa ilalim ng water. Tapos pag-akyat mo, nandun ka na sa gitna. So, yun lang yung full details ko ng Marina Bay. If you guys are interested to stay here. Thank you so much guys for watching this. Magkikita-kita na kami sa baba. So, yun lang. See ya! Checking out. There. What's up guys? Finally, nasa loob na kami ng gate. I just wanna say thank you guys for watching this vlog. Bago ko i-end, gusto ko lang malaman yun, yung details, yung full details ng trip namin to SG, kung ano yung mga requirements. Kaya si Aryan, kasi siya na yung magbabanggit. Guys.
Kaya pala pinatabi
kasi kabisado na. Sabi ko, liga dito. Kabisado mo eh.
My gosh.
Yes. Take it away.
So, maganda na may booster kayo. Kasi may booster na kayo, ang kailangan lang would be the health pass and your vaccination certificate. It should be certificate. So, siguro lalagyan na lang ni Larby sa description box na yung link kung saan pwede nyo i-input lahat nung yung mga doses and then gagawa na ng sariling certification yung website na yun.
So, parang ibig sabihin, para mas maintindihan ninyo, kailangan ilagay nyo doon sa website na yon yung inyong first and second vaccine, and then yung booster nyo na first booster, tapos gagawan kayo nun ng certificate. So, magkakaroon kayo ng QR code. So, kailangan nyo yun.
Yes, but it's better na rin to bring your vaccination cards na rin.
Sa phone.
Yeah, phone lang, oo. But if hindi ka pa nagpa-booster, you need to do an antigen test or PCR test.
Before checking in.
Yeah, 24 to 48 hours dapat.
At ayaw nyo ng hassle, guys. Ano pa ba?
And then another one, if ito talaga, wala kang vaccine at all, hindi ka naniniwala sa vaccine or hindi ka lang talaga nakapag-vaccine. So, yun yung mga requirements still, yung health pass and yung antigen test, and kailangan mo mag-quarantine, hotel quarantine.
Yes.
So, mapapatagal pa. So, it's better talaga na magpa-vaccine na tayo and boost.
Konting details lang with regards to our stay sa Marina Bay. Kamusta?
Ay, wow, talk show. Actually, ang daming pwedeng punta. Pero yun, literal, city. So, ang nakakatuwa doon, hindi mo na kailangan ng wifi because lahat doon, anywhere, may wifi yung mga malls.
Yeah, ang bilis ng wifi sa Marina Bay, no?
Oo, yun nga lang. Syempre, kung nasa city ka, like, yun nga, Marina Bay. But, if syempre sa mga ibang lugar ka, baka wala lang din wifi. So, better yet, if hindi ka doon naka-check-in, bring a travel recommends.
Yes, wifi. Travel recommends and highly suggested yung wifi na yan. Lagi namin dala yan. Anywhere, even sa China, no? Grabe, kahit saan kami pumunta, may travel recommends. Na-miss namin yun actually. And we'd also like to thank Canon Philippines for lending me your camera. And naka-Canon din si Aryan. Pero sa akin, yung gamit ko ngayon is Mark III. Pero yung camera ko talaga is Mark II. Pinapagawa ko ngayon sa service center nila sa Taguig. So, i-search nyo yan guys, nasa Google yan, masa-search nyo. And yes, mobile card, thank you so much. Binubudol ko si Aryan kasi sobrang ganda. Sabi ko bumili siya ng white. So, parang trip niya naman na bumili. But anyway, thank you so much everybody. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And click the bell button down there and comment your thoughts. And kung ano pang mga gusto niyo makita sa vlog na to, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on my Facebook page.
Follow me on my social media account at ARIANNE Aryan and YouTube.
Thank you so much everybody. Love you and I loves you. Bye! Please don't forget to watch my Universal Studios vlog. Thank you. Bye!